Hello, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Today I'm going to look at this Shona Proverb. This proverb means a change that may occur in life from riches to rags. To explain the meaning of this proverb with clarity, I will tell you a short story. To begin with, what does it mean to be rich? Is it the accumulation of material wealth, or is it something far more profound? Meet Sam Mbeki, a man whose life journey from prosperity to hardship offers a unique perspective on this age-old question. Sam was once a successful businessman in Harare, Zimbabwe, owning a vibrant shop that served as a beacon of hope in his community. His entrepreneurial spirit and dedication earned him respect and admiration from all who knew him. But life, as it often does, threw Sam a curveball. A series of economic downturns swept through Zimbabwe, leaving Sam's thriving business on the brink of collapse. The once bustling shop grew quiet, and despite his best efforts, Sam found himself sinking under mounting debt. Things spiraled further out of control. Unable to find work in the struggling economy, Sam was evicted from his home and found himself homeless, his worldly possessions reduced to a few tattered belongings. Yet, in the face of such adversity, Sam refused to surrender to despair. With the support of his community, he embraced his new reality with grace and resilience. He spent his days volunteering at local shelters, offering a helping hand to those in need. Sam's spirit remained unbroken. He found joy in the simplest things, a shared meal, a heartfelt conversation, and though he had lost his material wealth, he discovered something far more valuable: the richness of community, love, and kindness. Sam's journey from riches to rags is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. He may have lost his material possessions, but he never lost sight of what truly mattered: the bonds of friendship, the strength of community, and the enduring power of hope. So, what does it mean to be rich? Perhaps Sam Mbeki, once a prosperous businessman and now a humble volunteer, can offer us an answer. It's not about the wealth you have in your pocket, but the richness you carry in your heart.